In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a video online completely for free. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so open up a new tab in your search bar or engine, and then type in free video converter, and then scroll down and there's a list of different websites to choose from, but in this case we're going to click this one right here, or the second option, freeconvert.com, and then over here click choose files and locate on your device, PC or Mac, the video that you want to convert completely for free. In this case you have different options. Under the output tab you have different lists of files ranging from video, and if you're happy with this, you can even click the settings and see that you can change different settings within your video file, and then click apply, and then click convert and wait for this to upload, and then click download, and now you've successfully downloaded a video free converter online. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.